ఇక్కడికి విచ్చేసిన జనసేన నాయకులకు నాదెండ్ల మనోహర్ గారికి, డాక్టర్ హరిప్రసాద్ గారికి, కిరణ్ రాయల్ గారికి, భారతీయ జనతా పార్టీ రాష్ట్ర అధ్యక్ష సోమవీర్రాజు గారికి, మనం कैंडिडेट रत्नप्रभा डॉक्टर रत्नप्रभा गाరికి, ఆదినారాయణ రెడ్డి గారికి, వివిఎన్ మాధవ్ గారికి, సోదరి సోదరులకు అందరికీ నమస్కారములు. ఇప్పుడు తెలుగు నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను. After 1 year probably I can give complete speech in Telugu. That is my passion, and I love Telugu language. I have started loving Telugu language like anything. Very sweet language, and simultaneously I have started loving the Telugu food also. And my neighbor where I am staying in Tirupati, Dr. Hariprasad, his house they make very tasty pongal, and I usually order, tell him that send some pongal to me, and regularly he goes to mandir and brings prasad for me. So he said that I am liked by Jana Sainiks. The reason is I like Pawan Kalyan Garu like anything. Previously I only used to see his movies in Hindi dubbed movies. I was his fan. But when I came here and I started meeting him before the alliance, when I met him and I discussed for hours, I understood that he is a really genuine person. He is a very clean-hearted person. There is no double standards like Chandrababu Naidu, and there are many people in Andhra politics I see. They are in front some different and background they are different. But Pawan Garu is very clean person, very lovely person, affectionate person, down to earth person. Whenever I go to his house and I watch him, Manohar Garu, you are also like that only. That is why I love both of you. एकदम प्यार से बैठेंगे, अरे आप चाय लीजिए ना, आप अरे आपने खाना नहीं खाया, इसको थोड़ा खाइए, इसको थोड़ा खाइए, बराबर है ना. सोमवीर इज ए नॉर्मल पर्सन, जैसे इतना बड़ा स्टार. आफ्टर कमिंग आउट इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू कंट्रोल क्राउड, बट सच ए बिग स्टार, बट देयर इज नो ईगो इन हिम, एंड दैट इज व्हाई ही इज ए ट्रू लीडर. He is a true leader. Secondly, what I liked in him, he is a strong nationalist. In his heart, Bharatiyatva is there, staunch Bharatiyatva is there. Knowing that there is no separate speech of secularism required when you speak about Hindutva. Because in Hindutva, secularism is already there. No Hindu mother teaches hatred for Christianity, Islam or other religions. आपके किसी के अम्मा ने आपको कभी दूसरे religion के खिलाफ नहीं बताया. And that is why when we proudly say that we are proud that we are Hindus, it doesn't mean that we are against Christians or against Muslims. And what I understood with after discussions with Pawan Kalyan Garu, the concept of Hindutva is very clear, and that is why he is a true leader, and such type of leader is required for Andhra Pradesh. I don't hesitate to say. डॉक्टर हरिप्रसाद जी ने कुछ डिस्कशन बताया, तो हमारे पार्टी के ऊपर वाले लोग डिसाइड करते हैं. But it is definitely that there is a vacuum in Andhra Pradesh, because I always say in Andhra Pradesh రాష్ట్రంలో రెండు పార్టీలు, రాష్ట్ర పార్టీలు ఉన్నాయి. ఒకటి టీడీపీ పార్టీ, రెండోది వైసీపీ పార్టీ. రెండు పార్టీలు అవినీతి పార్టీలే, రెండు పార్టీలు కుటుంబం పార్టీలే. तो हम लोगों का कुटुंबम पार्टी नहीं है, हम लोगों का अविनीति पार्टी नहीं है, हम लोगों का नेशनलिज्म वाला पार्टी है, हम लोगों का हिंदुत्व वाला पार्टी. Secondly, what is this government, useless government in this state? Rowdyism, land mafias, sand mafias, liquor mafias, conversion mafias, and sandalwood mafias here in Tirupati. So who will fight with these mafias? TDP doesn't have guts to fight with these mafias. Only Bharatiya Janata Party, Janasena can fight with these mafias. And that is why in last few days, if you can see, all YCP leaders are attacking BJP Janasena. They are not talking anything about TDP. And if you see the statements of Pannabhaga Lakshmi Garu or other TDP leaders, they are also only attacking BJP and Janasena. If you can see the statements, it means both Kutumbam parties are scared of Bharatiya Janata Party Janasena alliance, and they are quite confident that this alliance is the future of Andhra Pradesh, and that is why they are afraid of, they are scared of, and they are attacking. Both parties are attacking BJP Janasena. Why? You should ask question to people, media, in social media. Nobody is attacking each other. They have 60-40 contracts since years. They have 60-40 contracts. And that is why people are fed up of these two parties. And one thing again I will make it clear, no one present in this hall should have any confusion in that. No alliance with TDP in future. Remember my words, no alliance with TDP. हम कभी भी उनके साथ जाने वाले नहीं हैं. वेनु पोट्टुगाडु, मोसगाडु, आपने कोई नाम लिए क्या, दुर्योधन वगैरह वगैरह, मैं भी एक नाम लेता हूँ. N.T. Ramarao Garu was really Bahubali. He was a great person. I don't have any question about him. I have got great respect about him. But if he was like Bahubali, then who was Katappa? जो पीछे से उनको डाल दिया वो कटप्पा चंदा बाबू. I never call him Chandra Babu. I call him Chanda Babu, Dabbulu Babu. And he betrayed Pawan Kalyan Garu also. He betrayed Pawan Kalyan Garu also. I will not talk at length. And what can we talk about Jagan? Rawali Jagan, Kawali Jagan. क्या बोल रहे थे before elections? Elections లో ముందుగా రావాలి జగన్ కావాలి జగన్. Elections అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ప్రభుత్వం आ गया, सीएम बन गए, अब रावाली जीसस क्राइस्ट, कावाली जीसस क्राइस्ट चालू है ना इनका. So if this behavior continues, this mafiaism, gundaism, looting people, commission raj, they did not allow BJP Sena candidates to file their nominations. They did not allow opposition to function. But they forget that this is not TDP, this is BJP Janasena. We will fight with this evil on streets. We will unite, and unitedly we will fight with this evil. And we will finish this evil in the state. I assure you, I give you guarantee, only the unity should be there. किसी को कैंडिडेट मिला, किसी को नहीं मिला, चिन्ना चिन्ना चीज इसमें क्यों इतना परेशान है? एक बार डिसीजन अलायंस का हो गया, सब ने मिलकर यूनाइट होकर डिसीजन के साथ खड़ा रहना चाहिए. जैसे पवन गारू साथ खड़े रहे बीजेपी के साथ, हम सब लोगों ने खड़े रहना चाहिए. और अभी धीरे धीरे फ्यूचर में आंध्र की जनता एक स्लोगन देगी, ओ रावाली जगन कावाली जगन है ना, उसकी जगह वो बोलेंगे पोवाली बाबू जगन, पोवाली बाबू जगन. मतलब चंद्रा बाबू भी और पवन जगन भी. पोवाली बाबू जगन, पोवाली बाबू जगन, रावाली मोदी पवन, रावाली मोदी पवन. This will be the future slogan of Andhra Pradesh people. Take it from me. So work hard. What candidate they have? The candidate, a doctor who served chief minister, a person who served chief minister, personal service, he will become candidate of YCP. And whom BJP Janasena has selected candidate, she served people. जगन की सेवा YCP candidate, जन्म की सेवा बीजेपी जनसेना करेगी। You have to tell people. And last point, you have to convince all people that voting TDP is best of vote. जीतने वाला तो है नहीं, trying for second position. That is why they are attacking BJP. Voting TDP is best of vote. Voting YCP, you will send MP in opposition. Correct? If vote YCP, then they will send MP in opposition. Voting BJP Janasena, sending in position. Ruling party, she can become central minister. She can become union minister. I cannot assure on behalf of party, but ruling party MP कोई भी minister बन सकता है कि नहीं बन सकता है. So why not to tell people? कितना भी कुछ भी करेंगे, MP of YCP cannot become minister. वो लोग बोलते हैं, TDP वाले बोलते हैं कि ये बीजेपी और YCP का है ना, पीछे से अंदर से कुछ अंडरस्टैंडिंग है. कुछ अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं है. लोग बोलते हैं then why there are many cases against Jagan and you are not taking action? Listen, procedure is going on. Procedure is with court, with CBI, and the procedure law will take its own course. और वो कभी भी वहां से आ जाएगा, इसका कोई गारंटी नहीं कब आएगा. क्योंकि अगर चोरी किया है तो जेल जाएगा, अगर चोरी नहीं किया है तो नहीं जाएगा. And that is why you should have complete faith in our alliance. No question of understanding between YCP and BJP. No question of alliance, future alliance with TDP and BJP. BJP, Janasena, only alternative in this state. And that is why our litmus test, our examination has started. I am giving you confidence. Anything can happen in this election. दुब्बाका को याद कीजिए, JSMC को याद कीजिए, और ये वेंकटेश्वरा द्रोही पार्टी है, सामने इनको एक्सपोज कीजिए. क्यों नारायण स्वामी इसी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी से जो डेप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर बना है, रेज क्वेश्चन how dare he can say, he said that on Vaikuntha Ekadashi he came out from premises of Balaji and he said Merry Christmas. It is not allowed. According to TTD law, it is not allowed to propagate any other religion. See, saying Merry Christmas is nothing wrong. Even I can say Merry Christmas to Christians, no problem. But from premises of Balaji's mandir, it was not allowed. What message you want to give to people? And if that is so, then hundreds of thousands of churches, same day there was Christmas. So YCP leaders, they came, they went for church at midnight mass. After coming out from there, from church premises, why nobody said Vaikuntha Shubhakankshu, Ekadashi Shubhakankshu? This one-sided love is not accepted. अगर आप बोलते हैं हमारे मंदिर से, तो अलाउड नहीं है. हमारे मंदिर से आप अगर बोलते हैं Merry Christmas, then why not a padri or a Christian leader says that Vaikuntha Ekadashi Shubhakankshu? If they say, then that is secularism. And if they only say, then it is appeasement. And their intention is to convert people in this state. And we are not going to allow them to do this. Last 1-2 points I am telling and completing my speech. Basically, he said that 5 minutes आपको बोलना है. He is a professor and I am a teacher. Both of us have habit that unless and until bell ranks, we don't stop our speech. But only concluding one remark. उधर नया अंतर्वेदी में रथ जाकर पैसा दिया, डब्बुलू, जगन के लिए सब डब्बुलू है. बस रथ चला दिया, नया रथ दे दिया. राम तीर्थम का मूर्ति तोड़ दिया, नया मूर्ति दे दिया. अरे क्या नया मूर्ति, क्या नया रथ? जिसने रथ जलाया उसको पकड़ो, arrest the person, find the person, prosecute the person who burned the chariot, find the person who beheaded the 400-year-old Kodandaram Murti Ramatirtham. That is law and order. That is your duty. Why CBI? छोटा छोटा चीज के लिए एकदम CBI चाहिए आपको? आपका पुलिस का क्या है? आपके पुलिस को इतना सैलरी क्यों देते हैं? कल ये होटल में एक रूम में अगर एक आग लग जाता है, if there is fire in this hotel in one room, will you call CBI for that? CBI is meant for that. One Dongalu, one chor, anti-Hindu person goes and burns the Rath in Antarvedi. You have to find that person. For that you want force from Delhi. Then what is your relevance? You leave the government, give the government to Pawan Kalyan government, Somu Radhikaru. We are able to protect all mandirs. हम protection करके दिखा सकते हैं. So we should raise all these questions while talking to people, including sand का कितना cost हो गया. Somebody said about petrol diesel hike. Tell them in Gujarat, in Goa, state tax उन्होंने खत्म कर दिया. They finished, and that is why 7 rupees cheaper petrol and diesel is available in Gujarat and Goa. Then ask Jagan, yes, reduce the tax. You reduce the tax. Then here also we will get in cheaper rate. And what about he is going to increase the housing tax? He has already 2,000 rupees sand, now 7,000 rupees per truck. All these issues we have to discuss. And I am quite confident that a very good candidate we have here in our Tirupati Lok Sabha. Along with your cooperation, coordination, hard work, चमटा, ये जितना ज्यादा चमटा हम लोग बहाएंगे ना, ये टीडीपी वाईसीपी का चेदलू खत्म हो जाएगा स्टेट से. थैंक यू वेरी मच. धन्यवाद.
మన అందరి ఏకాభిప్రాయం కేవలం మనదే కాదు, ప్రజలు కూడా ఒక మంచి అభ్యర్థిని మీరు నిలబెట్టారని చెప్పి అన్ని రకాల అర్హతలు, అలాగే ఆ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, అలాగే మనందరం కూడా చూసాం సోషల్ మీడియాలో ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్ గారు ఏ విధంగా ఫాలో అయ్యారు. ఆయన అంతా సోషల్ మీడియా యాక్టివిస్ట్ మనకు అర్థం చిన్న చిన్న పాయింట్స్ ఆయన మన్ కీ బాత్లో చెప్పే ఇష్యూస్ చాలా మాకేస్తారు. మా విశాఖపట్నంలో ఒక బీచ్లో